All right, we are live right now with Bookmap YouTube as well. All right, so good morning, traders. We're looking over here to trade stocks, NVIDIA, Tesla, Octo, and also FRGT. One thing, remember to read the disclaimer. As usual, these lessons are for education purpose only, so don't take them as investment advice. It's very important to know also that when you trade, you can risk what you invest, but even more, so even your capital. So read the disclaimer first of all. We have shared our plan in our Rise and Grind, so you can follow that on YouTube or simply on Twitter. Subscribe to the Rise and Grind in free, and you will see every day which stocks I'm going to follow. So right now we have FRGT, which is pushing with volume. FRGT is a reverse split. We have some bag holders into the area of $293. So we're going to follow over here the move on FRGT. It's a micro float. So remember that when we trade in micro floats, generally on reverse split, I tend to look for long plays. Anybody on FRGT? So we're going to stay on FRGT, and we're going to stay also on Octo, NVIDIA, and Tesla. I shorted over here Octo at 85.
KULR.
Covering a partial. So I'm screen sharing here my trade entry. I didn't take more than 1,000 shares because before the market. So you can see that I have stuff, big heat map, now risking break even. I don't like to trade 3 minutes before the open. Using the account of my wife, up 100% in about 6 trading days, share each day, each day. Add liquidity over here on the fields covers, VWAP. I need to cover more because this what can happen, this can push. So fast over here, cancel. Let's see if it pushes, I'll get out. Anybody on FRGT over here, just look over here with me, the flow. It's holding VWAP, and I tell you, when we have generally reverse split like this, they tend to push it. So waiting for the gate pop and fail probably. Add a little bit more. Take a little bit of wash. So now trailing all in the money. They're only selling over here. There's not a real news, right? Let's see if it can break this 90 MA on the 1 minute. Sellers. Anybody following FRGT? grabbing a little more covers because it can spike before the gate is normal. Preparing up to NVIDIA on other screens. It's just a small trade what we're doing over here, but I want to see 2 to 20, so trying to
CAPR.
hold this for 220. Okay, open.
ATCH. OCTO, TNON, ELYM, and
Adding more short. Added more short. Covering to the dip. Killer. So you can see how I'm doing it, right? And now we can cover everything. So this trade was not a big trade, okay? FRGT, we took just our, small before the open, $200 over here. Always not paying ECN fees. Okay, so let's see Octo. Short Octo. Ready to stop if it goes up. Good on Octo over here. Covering a partial. No, didn't fail.
BBLG.
Didn't get me fill. Still holding short. Out. Waiting on Octo. Daily resistance 435.
FRGT. VSME.
There's somebody that's holding 415. Careful.
BREA.
CAPR high of day.
RNAZ.
They're holding over here Octo pretty good. Took a starter.
CIFR.
Risking 450. Added. 428 average.
BBLG.
I'm still like 1/3 of the size
DSME.
Octo. Edit. Risk is high of day. Should fail over here all the way down. Cover a partial 19, all in front of you. Cover more, home run. Borrow over here another $500 home. Now stop to break even. You see how we manage traders?
FAAS.
Now let's see, stop to break even, okay? Because it can push back up. Is it clear the process? This is what we're doing, trading small on the account of Alexandra, but it's up $2,500 for the day. This is our account. And I'm trading small. So this was 4.9K account. We brought it to 10K plus in about 6 days. Got it? All in front of you. Bars and everything. Do you like this way of trading me to show you fields and everything? This is a gap and extension play. So my system is telling me to short this. And you can see over here the system. You see how down here is written gap and extension. It tells me where those are short this. Okay, that's the timing. Didn't add much size. Think all maximum was 2,000 over here. Now my stop is break even, but I want to see this holding till the 20 under 5. Fake out of the high of day. I have a small position now left. And this is not to really brag or flex, as I said. This is to show you what you can do with a small account. Double it in 6 trading days. Or join my mentorship and I teach you to do this step by step, one by one. CAPR push, Tesla, we had the A+ setup, but I cannot trade everything over here in screen share. Out, because we're getting near break even, you see it? And now if we risk stuff, we're gonna short it again. I didn't want to risk profits, okay? Octo is this over here. High volume, don't try over here to short. Maybe now, be ready. Heat map above. I shorted. There we go. There we go. Another one. There we go. Come, baby. 421 covering. One more. Average 431 for me. Again, stop to break even. We need to see the big selling pressure over here. I'm sure, short again, traders.
BREA.
Anybody on FAS? You're short body or long?
QHADD.
I'm out in the
BBLG.
money. I'm gonna look at FAS. FAS, we have a big company. Why this is up? 100 million revenue. Oh, no, sorry, my bad. FAS, we have 30 million float. History of fader. Acquisition announcements. FAS over here. Shorted FAS 222. FAS 222. Added 220. So FAS over here shorted. You see that big liquidity using that. Added more.
RNAZ.
FAS over here should fail. Added full size FAS. This is my FAS traders. Not saying BS. Risking the 241 over here to see the 170.
LODE.
So we have a bad company on FAS. Has a ton of baggies, in my opinion. Chris, what do you think about it? $250 is a ton of dilution, bro. A ton of bag holders, right? Company has no cash. Anybody with us short on FAS? See Salos over here, tape and everything. I trim over here. It's a small position, you can see, but at the end everything like is building up, right? So you can see that now, this is to show you how the account grows. Is around 2.6, trading a small account, starting with 5K. After 6 days, grow more than 100%. Got it? Target is going to be 150. I want to see this more dilution over here. Is it clear, traders? Small account, trading small size, but then if you trade good, adding liquidity, no ACN fees, low commissions, you're able to bring home, probably I'm going to bring home over here, let's say 3,000 we get for the day, to 7. And I'm not saying I'm making any kind of good P&L. This is who makes good P&L. Okay? So very good over here. Alex, my buddy. We were in Miami together. I think he's 6 years in the room, but it pays off. It pays off. So join the room if you want to learn like this. It's going to go down. Stay in. Okay? Stay in. See a small position, right? Nothing crazy. Small position. Taking off a partial.
FAAS.
Okay, team. And the system, why I'm putting out this this trading system. This is a system. You can see that the system tells me to short at this level with this arrow. My target is going to be over here 170. Probably going to go back to the VWAP and then fail, but that's a system. Arrow, level, short, and tells me gap and extension. The system is magic. And I use that together with order flow. So this is going to be out, small subscription, but with the new website, you're going to kill it with this. Need the practice is still to study, right? It's not, oh, I see arrow, let me short. You need to know what you're trading, of course. Okay, just want to tell you what's possible to do with a small account. Yeah, we are like 2.7 for the day. So let's go back on Octo. Octo, beautiful stuff, J Slim. Guys, you can tell me anything about this? You see the J Slim over here? That is the short A plus setup play. I don't know if you are able to get this being it was SSR. MSMGM is pushing. Waiting only half day. Tesla, nothing to say because you already know the plan that we had Tesla this morning. Plan is or long to the Jalen's dip, and again Jalen's dip. You can see that even if you trade Tesla only, there is a long over here and a long over here. Well done, John. Okay, that is your Tesla. If now continue to go up, we're going to look for long plays all the way. And this is NVIDIA. Remember our plan this morning, looking for a dip to long. And what happened over here? J lines and VWAP, A plus with Bookmap as well. VWAP, hold over here and add to the position. System is working. You just need to trade it and use Bookmap as order flow. This is our A plus setup. A plus setup, long bullish on NVIDIA. J-lines curl, and you can see the system tells you, forecast tells you on the over. So it tells you trade on the over. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, Chai. That's the most beautiful setup you can see for the large caps. And what I mean by that, I mean that I love Flowrider when he trades like this. I love it. Well, you can trade a little bit better, but essentially what I want to do over here is this. Live now in Bookmap webinar.
POET.
System alerting long NVIDIA and traders executing it like beasts.
VSME.
Okay. Still hold over here. Huh? We're still holding our friend.
LODE.
If you hear the sound of my scanner, where to trade, it tells me every single thing that's coming up. Jay, what is the purple line reading? What purple line? That is, I believe, a 998, but that's foreign. So you can see dilution fast. Fast, we got 1 minute tail over here. Getting to 170, we're going to have a cover 170. Anybody looks fast. Thank you, Steve Wilkins, for the alert. Thank you, brother. Okay, so we're holding this. Personally, what I would out of here, maybe we go VO. FRGT was nice. Oh, FRGT is the second one. How they fake out. So you can see traders that we shorted FRGT before the gateway made the big trade. Missed this over here trade. Okay, you cannot take everything. Okay, let's see what else we have. Opto, below the zeros will fail. MSNG, SBC, T-non, pushing, and Zealand Killer. Can you hear me? Maybe because you have open two things. Don't keep open YouTube or the other.
POET. LODE.
Sounds horrible. That's just my voice. Hello. Sounds like that. Can you hear me better on YouTube? I don't know if you can hear me on Discord. Can you tell me, traders, if now you hear better on YouTube? Okay, probably is the connection over here. Thank you. So, trader, we are just explaining along on Tesla using the J lines and the heat map over here, uptrend pattern. So that is a perfect trade. How to trade this? I'll say over here that Florian shows you very good how to buy that dip. You can see that dip, selling parcel, and then re-adding and taking a beautiful trade long. On the other side, we are still short on the FAS. AP, APD, MF. Let's see. APDMF. What is this? APDMF. What is APDMF? Sorry. Tesla have they fake out. So possible unwind over here. Okay. Liquidity trap on Tesla. Liquidity trap. So this is 255 short. Risk 10-20 cents. TP, VWAP, and J lines. Now, let's go back on Octo. If it holds the 90 on Tesla, stop to break even. Octo is a J-line curl over here. Let's see. I just long Octo at 40. I long Octo at 40. Out, not working. Can still push Octo, but I had my risk management, so I'm out. You can see over here Octo what it did, okay? It's a high trappy stock, it's SSR, failed the VWAP in Zealand's trap, push high of day, fake out again, and that's your short, okay? Right now I'm waiting, personally waiting. We have traps both sides. You can see over here, first they trap below the supported 4, okay? So what the market makers, in this case algorithms, do is they trap this zone over here. Look, this is a beautiful trap. 4 fill breakdown, and then they reclaim it, and then break out 450, and then they simply dump it. So we are in a mid-range. Do not trade over here.
FAS, MNTS. RNAC.
So for now, we're looking for our trades. Tesla, as we said, good play on the fake out and also for the long play. You see Tesla's working. Anybody got this Tesla over here, traders? Remember what we said. Fake out over here, fake out over here, Tesla short. Okay. So beautiful play. I said look for target J lines. Octo dump. Let's see if we have something else. IMRX is always there. DJT and over. Very, very nice.
IMAD.
Tesla back over here to the Z lines. So now Tesla cover half position from 255.80. Actually, see 255.80 to 254.30. Right.
BRA.
For now, only dumping. I call it dumping over here, but you can see the selling pressure on Tesla, right? Was it clear, the setup, traders? Okay, okay. Thank you, Scott. Be right back, traders.
MMTS. DJT. AAXI.
Traders, taking 5 minutes to breathe because I'm over here. You may think, traders, that I just came for a Bookmap webinar, right? I came at 4 a.m. New York time, which was my 2 a.m. New York time in Denver. And right now it's almost 10:30. So my 8:30. So I invite everybody every single morning, join the room, Jtraderco. They come with us early. Yesterday we traded from pre-market to the after hours. And in after hours, we had so many setups. Every single setup that I trade, just like right now on Tesla. And we share these examples so good with Bruce. Bruce is really a kind of a figure. I love him. We had so much fun in Wall Street. We share really these examples like, we get to a resistance, the fake out, and this. You see the sellers when they come in, that's my short, that's my risk, and the target is the J lines. Look, our return that you take. Okay? Be right back. But this is essentially what we're doing.
BREA. GNS. DJT. APLD.
So right now, traders, let's cover the questions if you have them.
MMTS.
Any questions? I'm gonna read over here now on YouTube. Okay, I see no questions over here. There's still a short over here, Tesla. Yes.
DJT.
Let it come, let it come, let it come. Let's look at VSME. Fast, remember, target 205. Yeah, that's a good trade. If we can have a fail and view a projection or a trend line break, that's going to be a good one.
APLT.
Oh, APLD, this is a friend of ours. So why this is up? APLD traders. We have institutional high, 189 million float. Notice of effectiveness. Is only when they say that is an S1. Okay, so yes, S1. So let's look APLD. APLD. Let's put it over here. APLD. Yeah, I wouldn't watch until this level. So APLD, I wouldn't watch it until 860. For now, it's only a breakout and push. Fast, a little bit pushing.
IMRX.
Let's see, fast. Remember why fast is up? Acquisition announcement.
PLD. WRAP.
Shorted fast more. 210. Shorted fast 210 over here. Risking 212. Killer. Covering partial over here, 195 right away. That's what we need to do. Okay, got it. You see my timing? Traders, did you see it? Nice job, right?
SKYE.
So you can see that there's not a lot of liquidity over here on FAS. At the moment, they're not selling, they're not buying. We had a push and a stop, so a big seller jumping in the 210, 212. So I'm waiting over here, ideally, this to fail. Anybody took the entry over here, part of the room? Think we'll have more fail. Otherwise, all trailing the money around 210. We'll trail everything 210. Let's see if it pushes more. So it's 10:30 and FAS is above the open level. So I can push more. Okay. So this is a tip that I give you. Tip 10:30.
TGL.
FAS above open level. Holding. Waiting now. Golden zone or pre-market high. Rejection. No long with this low volume. Very short. TP1, J-lines 1. Okay.
APLD. IMRX. DD.
So you always hear this
ATC.
this kind of, but this is really the trading. What's happening? I'm gonna trade. Okay. All right, team. So it's 10:30. No more trades over here. Long and short this morning. We did some good trades. Tesla, first of all. Then small caps, FAST, FRGT, Brea before the open, Octo. So I hope that you like this trading. We're over here all day, so I'm not gonna go away. I have like a 10 minutes break. I'm gonna have a mentoring students. Then I have a trader 101. So traders like book with me at 101 to trade together 1 hour and talk. And then I'm gonna be over here till like the close of the day. Okay. So thank you again. Check out the room, JTrader.co, if you want to be mentored. Today was a good day, so we are averaging pretty good. This is with Jtra. So as we said, commissions we have this day update the day after we traded 122,000 shares. Yesterday 300, the day before 750, and so on. From 4.9K to 10 plus K in about 6 trading days, and hold your gains. Like traders over here said, hold your gains for now, right? So we're going to trade more later. Yesterday, for example, we had some very good 4 figures from traders in the room after 2 p.m. East until like 5, even after hours. So major one, Tesla, check it out. Good luck and see you back soon. Thank you, Bookmap.